I saw a Japanese was playing instrument under a tree. Today, I'm gonna search what I can find in a creek. I see thousand shrimp juveniles. I brought a container for collecting them. I will show you how they look like very close. First, I fill the container up with water. I think I will put the container here. I take my net for collecting them. Oh wow, I got many of them. Okay, let's put them in a container. Catch again and again. I think it's enough. Let's see it closer. Oh dear, they are so small. Their body are transparent. Now it's time to release them in their habitat. Let them grow bigger. They are free. I hope they live very well. I set up my fishing rod. I'm gonna put my camera on the tip of my fishing rod. Let's see how they look like underwater. I think I will put the camera here. Okay, let's wait a moment for them until they gather. I'm sorry if the footage was not clear. It seems action camera cannot capture them perfectly. Instead, I should use macro lens camera. See you and thank you for watching.